Hello there and welcome to The Details, where we talk about all things home, but mostly we talk about interior design because that is what I happen to do for a living. I am Wendy Wallace-Chuck and let's get right to the details. Today, we're talking about how to arrange the furniture in your family room, especially if you have a long, narrow family room like a lot of the family rooms here in New England where I'm located. So are you struggling with where to put your TV in the room? Should it be put over the fireplace? Should it go on a different wall? How do you arrange the furniture? Today, I have some tips for that difficult family room. No, not your difficult family, just the difficult family room. So option one, the best way to maximize the space in your room is to mount the TV over the fireplace. This is hugely controversial. A lot of interior designers will tell you not to do it, but it will free up the space on the other three walls and give you one focal point. So arrange the furniture so that wherever you're sitting, you can see the TV comfortably. You can add bookshelves or built-ins on either side of the fireplace for additional storage and interest. And tip alert, when your TV is above the fireplace, it's important that your furniture have a higher back so that when you're looking up at the TV, you have some support behind your head. Option two, if you don't want your TV over the fireplace, but you want to keep it on the same wall, consider putting it on one side of the fireplace or the other side, and you'll be able to keep that wall as your focal point. You'll want to put a console of some sort under it to give it some weight, some visual weight, and also consider one for the other side of the fireplace for some balance. Use an appropriately sized piece of artwork to balance out the TV on the other side. You can display some books and decor on the consoles for a pretty vignette. I'm having trouble talking today. You'll still have three walls for placement of your furniture, but keep in mind the piece of furniture that's closest to the TV will have a difficult time seeing the TV when you're turning to look at it, right? But you'll have plenty of other TV
Let's see if
viewing.
we can talk better here.
Option three, you want your TV on a different wall than the fireplace. Okay, so try putting it on the opposite wall. You can put a sofa and a love seat facing each other, or two chairs across from the sofa with a coffee table in the middle. This will create a nice conversation area where everyone can see the TV and the fireplace. Again, a console table under your TV will help to balance out the room, and it'll also give you a spot for the components if you're still using those for your TV. Bookcases on either side of the fireplace will give you extra storage and will add some height to the wall. An art or mirror above the fireplace to balance out the television wall so that you don't have tall on this side and short on the other. It's balanced out, right? And a tip alert, when you're considering the TV placement in a room, try not to place it opposite a window because this is going to create the most glare on your television.
That's it for today, but if you'd like the ebook that goes into even more detail on how to arrange your family room for the Optimum TV viewing, go to detailsfullserviceinteriors.com and click on resources. I'll catch you next time.